Well, hello again, Chopper 316. I've not done a video for a long time, quite some time. I have been busy. I've been doing some modifications to my Chester 920 lathe. In the past I've had problems with parting off the parting tool, especially in aluminium, would grab sometimes and dig in due to the fact of the weak point on this lathe. And the weak point is this tool post arrangement. So what I've been doing is I've been doing a little bit of milling and a little bit of drilling, a bit of scratching my head, and I have come up with a way of fixing this problem. I have been making a new tool post for the lathe, which I will show you now. I've completed it, so I'm going to now put it all together, see if it fits, for one thing. I couldn't find a piece of steel quite thick enough. I was hoping to use this tool block. I've got the existing tool block, so I couldn't find a piece of steel deep enough or tall enough. So what I've had to do, I've had to make an extended tool post block. So this will be one unit and the other one will be a separate unit. They all take my tools I've already made, my tool holders. So what I'll do, I'll bring you in on the lathe. I shall remove this tool post completely. Then we will assemble the new one and fit it to the lathe. So let's see how we do it. Just zoom you in a little bit, I think. Okay, I think I'll bring you a bit closer, just excuse the camera shake a little bit, bring you in a little bit where you can see what's going on. Bring the camera down a bit. Let's look where I am. Just one moment. Give me one moment. Aha, there we go. There. That's a bit zoomed in there. Just zoom out a little touch. Right, what I'm going to do now is remove the tool post. Existing tool post. Undo these two screws, two bolts, like so, and the two washers, another two washers. Put the tool post to one side for now. Okay. Two bolts. Just put the nuts and bolts back together so I don't lose them. That's one. That's two. getting quite warm in here at the moment. I've had the heater on. It's about 75 degrees. Just give me a moment, I'm just going to turn the heater off. Right. Okay, I'm back. It's good to move you over now. In fact, probably move you to there. Things around and down towards the window. Try and keep it all in frame. Okay, so what I've got, I've made 4 new bolts like so. Oh, God. Sugar, sorry about that. I've got to tighten the camera up. Are you in frame again? Sorry, there we go. Sorry for all this messing about. Forgot to tighten the lock on the camera. So I've made these 4 bolts, whereas the other old existing one has 2 bolts. This has got 4 bolts. This is the block I've machined. The block I've machined. To fit. I've made a new tool holder, 2 holes in, and a bolt on this side. This bolt, I will explain what it's for later. So we'll get on with it now and we'll get it all assembled. Firstly, I'm going to put the 2 12mm pistons in. I shall put a little bit, tiny bit of grease on those just to give them a bit of lubricant. Twiddle, do that one, and do this one. Just a little tiny bit. Okay. This is the second component I made. It's turned off centre, as you can probably see. I think it was round about a 50,000th offset. Bring it close up to the camera and perhaps you may be able to see it properly. Nice little bit of grease on that. Around the top, side, and the middle. That goes in there, like so. Right, that little bit of excess off. This is drilled out to 8mm. That is the centre bolt which holds it all together. A little smearing of grease on that. Goes into there. Just excuse me while I wipe my fingers. I'll be back. Right, with that. Right, it works on a cam system. I don't know if you can be able to, the camera will pick this up or not, but if I move this round, if you watch my thumb, you'll see it going in and out. My thumb and my finger. That's what locks the tool onto the block. So we'll mount that now onto there. Check is it in focus? Can't see. Let's have a look. Can't see if you're in frame or not. Oh, just. So I'll bring you around a little bit. The other thing I've made is the locking knob for the top. Just machine this out of some random steel. I don't know what the heck it is. Doesn't machine too bad. That will screw on top. Somewhere around here. Okay, yeah. Okay, what I'll do now, I'll swing you back over to the lathe. No, second. We'll put the bolts in next. That's what we'll do. Set the bolts up. Oh god, got one. As per usual, when the camera's on, everything goes wrong. You might know. Thick washer. Nut. I'll attempt to get it all in on one go if I can. Round to there that way. I will have to line these up. They're just made from some I'm not sure. Oh, stainless steel. It's made from round stainless steel bar. I machined some flats on them to fit in the slats. They should fit, hopefully. Let's fit them loosely for now. I'll tag a few photos. I did take some still photos of before I started. Right, so that's now together. That's what the whole thing looks like. Let's bring you down a little bit. Round. Okay. I'll bring you round to the lathe. Just going to move you round again. Try and get you round somewhere fairly close if I can. Bring you up again. Up, there we go. Up about there. And this again. Forgot to lock the top. The camera again. So to put this on, you need to wind the cross slide over. It's a bit more than that. Okay. I'll try it and line everything up all together. Bit fiddly. That's that side. Excuse my head getting in the way with this. What's going on? Why is that not going in there? Should do. I don't know why that's gone tight. Oh god, what's going on? Typical, isn't it? When the camera's on, everything gets stuck. The bolt's not behaving itself at all. Shouldn't be that tight. I just don't know why. Let me just check for a moment. Shouldn't be that tight going on. Slides perfectly along there. Don't know why it's playing up. we'll try again. Might have been better putting the bolts in first, to tell you the truth. I was hoping to just be able to slide it straight on. Yeah, looks like it. We'll have to do that, I think. Okay. Typical to put this one on this side. Don't wash it. Don't wash it this side. That one feels tight for some reason. Close that. Close that. I'll leave the back two on and just try it. Oh no, will it work? No, it's not going to work. Let's take all four out. Didn't quite work to plan, but never mind. We'll get there in the end. Just line everything up properly. That's it. Oh, God, I pulled it out the back. Great. Oh, always when the camera's running, isn't it? Guarantee it. Guarantee it. Now I've dropped another nut again. I'm not having much luck here, am I? Not much luck at all. I just don't know what's stopping it now. It should go better than that. I just don't know what's going on here. I'll have to do a little bit of editing, I think. Oh dear dear. I've had this problem. Oh, I've had this problem. Maybe everything's a little bit too tight. A little bit too not enough tolerance in it. I am having big trouble here, aren't I? I'm trying to line these everything up. Maybe just me. I don't know. Seems like that front bolt is sticking a little bit. It's happening to slide. Oh dear. Nothing's going right. I'll have to investigate this. Hang on. I'll just stop recording for a moment. Okay, I'm back. There was some rags on the slide itself, which was I've made these a little bit too tight of a tolerance, to tell you the truth. I may just loosen them up a little bit. But as you can see now, the tool post is on, and I can slide it anywhere I like along here. Excuse me. Yeah, so yeah, it moves. Still a little bit sticky. I'll make it a little bit more of an improvement, I think. Just make it just a little bit easier. Okay, so we'll set that somewhere there, and we'll tighten it down. Shouldn't take too much to tighten it down. Oh dear, these things. Always wanted the camera involved. I think that was the main problem. Is I was trying to work around the camera tripod, which wasn't helping, as you'll probably know. So that's that on. So what do we do? Where do we go now? So let's try some tools on there. These should be set at centre right. And right to right. Just one moment. There is a slight difference in these two pistons actually. I've still yet to put a I'm going to put a rubber seal on those, no ring seal, just to stop them popping out quite so easy, and to stop any dirt, see. Okay, we'll try that now. There we go. That's perfect. Locks up beautiful. So that's that one. Try that one. Yeah, no problem. No problem. They fit great. Another tool I've made. To go on the lathe, I have made myself a chuck holder, so you can use your actual carriage to peck drill. You know, as these Chinese lathes, you don't have a tremendous amount of travel on the tailstock, so I've made that. And also I'll show you another tool I've made. But square the tool up. This tool here, this stop. What you would do with it, if say you wanted to make, I don't know, a load of washers or something like that, or part of quite a few pieces of whatever, what you would do, this fits on the tool post like so. What should we say, like so there for now. I'll put a piece of steel in the chuck. Any piece of steel, anything. It's okay, it's okay. So let me just check you're still in frame. Let me bring you around a little bit here. Zoom you in. Bring you up a little bit more. There you go. Maybe you might have to see what I'm doing. Right, to set this up, if you were making, say, a load of washers or whatever you want to make, first you square your tool up. Say you wanted to make a load of washers, just say for instance, I don't know, say 5mm. you'd set your tool to there, to 5mm. Then you would set this stop. Now wind your tool away, lock your carriage down, then if you bring this in to touch, wind your carriage in a little bit, part off, wind back out to align that bar up, move over, lock your carriage, and so on. I had one of these years ago, probably 20 years ago, and when we moved house I lost it, or whichever, never found it, but I found it very useful. It's something you'll use now and again, but when you use it, when you need it, it's really useful and quick. So thank you for subscribing. Please make a comment if you got something to say. Thank you for all your support. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. So with that being said, it's Chopper 316 saying ta-ta for now. Bye bye, we'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.